Have you ever learned? Pernah belajar gerund? When you are in senior high school? What is gerund? Okay, anyone can help me to read this? Let me ask. Afan.
Yes,
Read
Miss.
a gerund is the blah blah blah.
Oh, okay. Gerund is the form of verb use noun.
Oh.
Gerund is used in the same ways a noun. Ini bacanya gimana, Miss? IE as a subject.
IE as a subject.
IE as a subject or as object in applying is a gerund. It is used the subject, the sentence playing tennis is a gerund phrase. In B.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Miss.
That's enough. Thank you, Afan. So, as Afan read the explanations, what is gerund? Gerund is the ing. Intinya ada ing-nya ya. Ing form of a verb used as a noun. Kalau kemarin we have learned present continuous, yang ada continuous itu ing. Okay, Miss, kemarin I told you the verb that has ing, that's what we call continuous. However, okay, tetapi in this case, gerund yang verb ing itu dia bukan sebagai verb ya. For example, kalau kemarin if you still remember, present continuous yang sedang kita lakukan sekarang, the action that is still going on, I am teaching now. Itu berarti saya sedang mengajar sekarang. Okay. However, if you use gerund, itu dia kata kerja yang ditambahin ing. The functions, fungsinya dia bukan sebagai kata kerja. Kalau teaching, saya sedang mengajar, itu dia sebagai kata kerja ya, functionnya, fungsinya di dalam kalimat. But in gerund, the function is a noun. Nah, di dalam kalimat itu, kata benda itu terletak di mana saja. For example, subject, verb, object. Where can we find the noun? Anyone? Ada yang tahu? Di mana sih kita meletakkan kata benda di dalam kalimat? A simple sentence. Kalimat sederhana saja. For example, I go to market or I eat noodles. Nah, kata benda itu di mana? Kalau kata kerja tadi I eat-nya ya, verb. I'm teaching-nya verb. So, which one is the noun? Di mana kata bendanya? Diletakkan apakah di depan, apakah di belakang, apakah di tempat subject or object? Anyone can give me the response or explanations? Hello? No one? Let me ask. Okay, I have to here, number 4. Angela. Can you hear me, Angela? No? How about the others? Dwi Aldi?
No, hi, Freddie.
Sorry? Dwi Aldi, is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Where can we find a noun in a sentence? Di mana sih kita bisa melihat kata benda itu? Apakah dia di posisinya as a subject atau as an object or both of them? Atau kedua-duanya? Can you guess?
No, ma'am.
No, okay. So based on the explanations in the slide, yeah, this slide tadi, A gerund is used in the same way as a noun. Jadi gerund itu sebagai kata benda, terletaknya as a subject, okay, can be a subject and can be an object. Di situ ada. For example, A, playing tennis is fun. Playing ini dia bukan kata kerja ya. Jadi permainan tenis itu, bermain tenis itu sebagai kata benda is fun. Jadi playing di sini as a noun. Dia di mana posisinya? How can we find noun itu? Ingat dia bisa terletak di subjek ataupun objek. Okay. And number B, we enjoy playing tennis. Kami menikmati bermain tenis. Kata kerjanya bukan playingnya ya, tetapi enjoy-nya. We enjoy playing tennis. Di sini dia functionsnya as an object. Oke. Okay? Kalau di A tadi dia di subjek, kalau B itu di object. Remember that. So, Miss, how can I differentiate? Gimana, Miss, cara membedakan, Miss? Apakah itu gerund, apakah itu kata kerja? Remember that. Jadi, gerund itu, kalau dia ada kata kerja, misalnya, ada kata kerja dua, dan ing itu sebagai gerund. Sama kayak gini, we enjoy playing tennis. Kata kerjanya ada double verb. In rules of grammar, di dalam grammar aturannya, we cannot put double verb together without conjunctions, okay? Atau without words that can separate that. Jadi kita nggak boleh meletakkan misalnya nih, we enjoy play tennis, we enjoy play tennis. Itu semuanya dua-duanya kata kerja. Jadi nggak boleh. Dia makanya diganti gerund atau to infinitive, okay? Misalnya nih, we enjoy playing football. We want to go home. We won't go home itu salah karena dia double verb ya. Jadi dibatasi dia. Dikasih conjunctions atau kata lainnya. For example tadi pakai gerund. Jadi dia gerund play-nya ini sebagai kata benda. We enjoy playing tennis. Atau tadi we want to go home, bukan we won't go home. Okay? Is there any questions? Ada pertanyaan so far? If not, let's go to the next slide. Okay. So, gerund are used as the object. Okay. Kalau tadi sudah ya, I enjoy playing tennis. Joe quit smoking. Dia berhenti merokok. Joe gave up smoking. Nah, kata kerjanya quit, gave up, enjoy. Smoking, playing, that's noun, kata benda ya. Walaupun dia kata kerja yang ditambahin ing. The functions change to be verb. To be noun. Okay then. Next slide. Nah, this is common verb followed by gerunds. Kata-kata yang kita harus ingat nih, ada beberapa kata-kata umum yang bisa kita tambahin ing. Oke, ing itu apa? Gerund tadi ya. Verb that ending with ing. Gerund itu adalah kata kerja yang ditambahin ing. Okay. So, this one, as you can see here, enjoy, appreciate, mind, quit, finish, stop, avoid, postpone, delay, keep, consider, discuss, mention, suggest, regret, miss. Okay. Ini semua common verb yang diikuti gerund. Jadi kalau kamu membuat kalimat yang ada dua kata kerjanya, ada dua kata kerja dan diikuti kata ini yang ada salah satunya ada enjoy, kata kerja berikutnya harus ditambahin ing. Oke. Misalnya nih, avoid. Saya menghindari bertemu kamu. Saya menghindari kata kerja, bertemu juga kata kerja. Jadi itu kan dua kata kerja. I avoid meeting you. Okay? Jangan I avoid meet you. I avoid meeting you. Kata-kata inilah yang biasanya diikuti ing. Kenapa harus dihafal? Okay, you have to remember. Karena ada kata-kata yang tidak boleh ditambah ing. Okay? Nggak semua kata bisa ditambahin ing. So that's why you need to remember common verb. Nggak usah hafalin banyak-banyak common verbs. Jadi kata-kata atau kata kerja yang biasanya, umumnya sering digunakan atau diikuti oleh gerund. Why? Because we will learn the infinitive. Kita akan belajar infinitive after gerund. Infinitive itu apa? Tadi yang Miss kasih contoh. I want to go home. Bukan I want going home. Oke, I want to go home. Jadi ada kata-kata yang harus diikuti kata to, I want to go home. Ada juga kata-kata yang harus ditambah ing. I enjoy eating sugar. Jadi there are some verbs that followed by gerund and some verbs followed by infinitive. Okay? But we are not talking about infinitive today. Next meeting. Okay then? Is there any questions? Any questions so far? Go on.
It's clear enough.
Clear enough. Okay. Thank you. And then next, ini I will give you the assignment. Okay. This sentence. Okay. This sentence. But before that, I want you answer these questions. Okay. Sebelum kasih tugas, coba kalian kerjakan ini sekarang. If you can give me the explanation. I'm sorry, the sentence. For example, number 1. I enjoy watching TV. Ini mudah ya, karena hanya gerund. Ini hanya minta gerund aja. Besok nanti setelah kalian belajar gerund, setelah kalian belajar infinitive, I will give you some verbs. You need to differentiate. Oh, ini gerund apakah ini to infinitive? Oke? Kalau yang ini mudah. Kalian sudah tahu gerund. Oh, gerund pasti semuanya ditambah ing. Oke? Kata kerja yang diikuti kata enjoy, mind, quit, give up. Kata kerja setelahnya ditambahin ing atau gerund. For example, I enjoy watching TV. Okay, wanna try number 2? Yang mau mencoba nomor 2, please.
Saya, Miss.
Yes, what's your name?
Ahyar Wildan Maris.
Ahyar, okay then. Wait a moment. Your student number, Ahyar?
20, 12, 16, 60.
60. Okay, go on, Ahyar.
Would you mind to open the window?
Okay, would you mind to open the window? Right, wait a moment. Okay, what date is it today? It's 3rd or 4th? What date is it today? Do you
Third.
remember? 3rd, okay then. 3rd of June. Okay, Ahyar. Since we talk about gerund, tadi nih, can you open the previous slide, Fajar? Mine. Nah, ini. Enjoy, appreciate, mine. Followed by gerund. Dia diikuti gerund. Okay, next slide. Yeah, so repeat again, Ahyar.
So it's, would you mind opening the window?
Right, that's good. So
Oh,
after this kind of words, setelah kata-kata ini, okay, dia hanya bisa diikuti oleh gerund. Do you mind atau would you mind opening the window? Okay, next, wanna try number 3? Ada yang mau mencoba? Come on. Itu Miss, ya tugas kalian hanya mencari subjek. Okay. I enjoy watching the movie. Atau do you mind opening the window? That's talking about gerund. Go on, who wanna try number 3? We still have less than how many? Okay, who wanna try number 3?
I try number 3.
Okay, Fajar, go on.
I quitting it dessert.
I repeat again.
I quitting to eat dessert.
Okay, wait a moment. Fajar Guritno ya, number
Yes.
37.
Yes, that's right.
Okay. I enjoy watching the movie. Do you mind opening the window? So the verb that we can put the ing is the second verb. Okay. Kata kerja yang kedua. It's not I quitting, but I quit eating
Oh,
dessert.
eating. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry.
Karena kalau kita pakai I quitting harus pakai to be ya. Kayak tadi
Oh, okay.
tense
If we,
continuous,
okay.
present continuous. Right. So number 4, wanna try?
Saya Miss.
Yes. Your name?
Afan Wicaksono Miss.
Okay, Afan. Go on. Go on. I'm waiting.
She give up eating dessert.
Okay, she gives up. Karena dia she, jadi third singular person using S. Okay, kata kerjanya. She gives up eating dessert. Number 5.
Saya Miss.
Okay, the girl.
Saya Miss.
Yes, the girl.
Langsung aja Miss.
Your student number?
1665.
65. Samsiatul. Okay, Samsiatul.
We finish eating dinner.
Okay, good. We finished eating dinner. Right. So, do you have any questions? Okay, no questions. So, let's go to the previous slide, Fajar, because I want you to do these kinds of assignment. I will give you 40 minutes or 50 minutes to make a sentence using these words. There are 16 words, okay? Ada 16 kata. What you need to do is make a sentence. Buat kalimat seperti yang tadi. I enjoy watching movie. I appreciate what. Okay? I avoid what. Jadi buat kalimat sendiri using this word. This talking about gerunds. Jadi kata kerja setelahnya itu kata menggunakan ing. Okay? Is it clear about the instructions? Miss akan kasih waktu 40 sampai 50 menit. You can see in Waskita. And the format can be Word or PDF. Only make a sentence using this word. Is it clear about the instructions?
Jadi subjeknya bebas, yang penting gerund ya Miss?
Yes. Ya, betul. Jadi menggunakan kata ini, kata kerja berikutnya terserah. Yang penting nanti ditambahin gerund. Untuk objek, untuk subjeknya, it depends on you. Your own words. Oke, kata-kata kalian sendiri. Right? Any questions? The others? If not, I'll close the meeting. So you have to do or you have to make the sentence. I will give you the assignment and submit to Waskita, okay? Dikumpulnya di Waskita. No questions? Well, I think that's all. Yes? 16. Ini ada 16 kata. So you have to write 16 sentences. 16 kalimat. Okay? All right, you're welcome. So thank you so much for joining the class today. And how many students? Hari ini berapa students ya? Because I'm afraid that in Amicom 1 hasn't record your names. Jadi Miss takutnya belum terrecord, nanti dicek lagi ya. Yang belum, oke? Okay?
Saya belum, Miss.
Sudah presentasi. Yang belum siap berapa orang? Coba.
Saya, Miss.
Saya, Miss.
Tiga ya, 36. Siapa? Ya sudah nambah?
1622, Miss.
1622.
1622.
And then
1638, Miss.
Terima kasih, Miss.
16.38. Nanti Miss cek ya kalau listriknya udah nyala, karena untuk presensi hanya bisa di laptop itu aplikasinya.
16.66 Miss.
16.66. Terus
16.68.
oke. That's enough. Udah? Selesai? Okay then. I think that's all since you have no questions. I'll close this meeting and please do the assignment 16 sentences and I'll be waiting for several 40 or 50 minutes. Okay, thank you so much. See you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.